Hello everyone, welcome. You're watching Next IAS English. Today we are going to talk about a very serious problem. India's wild elephant population has gone down by 18% according to the first DNA-based census. This census reported on October 14, 2025 gives scientists a clear picture of how many elephants are actually left. Elephants are a very important part of our forest and wildlife. They help keep nature balanced, and in this talk we will look at the census results, how it was done, why the elephants are disappearing and what we can do to help them. So let's quickly get started. Let's talk about the first thing, which is census findings. So the 2025 census shows that India has 18% fewer wild elephants than before. Unlike old methods which just counted elephants by sight, this census used DNA from dung samples to identify each elephant. This makes the results very accurate. The census covered elephant habitats all over India, from the northeast to the south. This data will help track the population over time and check if conservation efforts are working or not. But the decline is worrying. Loss of forests, human-elephant conflicts and poaching are the major problems. Moving forward, let's talk about the methodology, DNA-based counting. Now, what is the exact method? What makes this census special is the DNA method. Earlier, wildlife surveys just watched the elephants, which could give wrong numbers also, but this time scientists have collected elephant dung and took the DNA from it and have identified each and every elephant individually. This also helps scientists study where elephants move and their genetic health also. This is a very big improvement for planning conservation, but to keep doing this we need money, trained people and a proper support. Moving forward, let's talk about causes of the decline. Now, what are the reasons for this decline? Why are the elephants declining? First is habitat loss. Forests are being cut for cities, farms and roads, and this makes elephants live closer to people. Second is human-elephant conflict. Elephant raid crops and sometimes people or elephants get killed. Around 500 people and 100 elephants die every year because of these conflicts. Third is, and the most important, is poaching. Illegal hunting for ivory and body parts is still a threat. Fourth is climate change, affects food and water. These reasons show that we must act fast to protect our elephants. Moving forward, let's talk about the conservation challenges and the strategies. Now, what are the challenges and what are the solutions or strategies? Protecting elephants is not easy. Money is very limited. Some local communities oppose the conservation because elephants do damage their crops. Enforcing anti-poaching laws is also very difficult. But there are solutions also, like expand protected forests, restore elephant corridors, compensate farmers for crop losses and use DNA data to focus on areas where elephants are most at risk. Project Elephant can train forest rangers and work with local people collaboratively. Learning from other countries can also help. We must act quickly to save our elephants. Moving forward, let's look at the conclusion and the call to action. Now, to sum up, the 18% drop in wild elephants is a warning for all of us. The DNA-based census gives us the tools to plan better conservation. Elephants are declining due to habitat loss, human conflict, poaching and also climate change. We need to restore forests, reduce the conflicts and protect animals, protect elephants using science-based plans. This is not just about elephants, it's about protecting India's nature and balance. Everyone can help by spreading awareness, supporting local efforts or following conservation rules. Together we can ensure that the elephants survive for the future. And that is it for today. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.